Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a bikini bottom to match the top I did in my previous video, which you guys should definitely check out. I will have it linked below and carded. So to begin, we are going to do a slip knot and chain 7. At this point, you're gonna hold at chain 7, and then you're gonna chain 3, and then you're gonna loop it back into the chain 7 and do a double crochet down the line. Okay, here you're gonna just chain 2, turn your work, skip the first stitch and go into the second one, and then you're gonna do double crochets down the line until you get back to the beginning. Okay guys, we are going to do 7 rows and I'll meet you back when we're done. Great, so we have our 7 rows as you can see, and now we're about to start to increase. So you're going to chain 2, and remember how we skipped the first stitch? We're not going to do that. So you're going to go into the first stitch and you're going to go down the line, and that's right there, you're automatically increasing. Okay, here we're at the end, and we're actually going to put 2 double crochets at the very end and create another increase. So we're just going to do that same step in the next row. Okay, so here again, you're going to put an extra double crochet at the end and create another increase. So you're doing it at the beginning and the end. But the thing is, you're only going to do it for the first 2 rows because we are going to be doing a kind of high cut bikini. So you're only going to increase at the end for the first 2 rows. Here you can see I'm telling you to stop, which means you're just going to put 1 double crochet at the very end. You're not going to put 2 like the other 2 rows. And you're basically going to mimic this for the next 15 rows. You are just going to increase in the beginning of the row, and that's it, just the beginning. So it will increase by 1 for each row. Okay guys, so here we have the 15 rows, and this does vary by size. So if you guys know your size, you can either decrease or increase. I am about a medium, not a big medium but a small medium but I am a medium nonetheless, and I did the 15 rows. And here I'm just showing you how to do the back part now. So you have to tie your knots, or where you have loose ends, always make sure you tie a knot to secure it, because it is possible it can unravel. So here I'm connecting my yarn back to the other side, and with this, you guys, let me just say, you have to increase both front and end of each row until you're done, so that way it covers your entire back side. Now if you want to have a more thong effect, you could do that as well, which I will have upcoming videos on that as well. But for now, this is the basic bikini bottoms to secure your whole back, so you'll be fine. So as I said, you're going to increase both beginning and end of the row, which means you're just going to put 2 stitches at the beginning and 2 stitches at the end, and you're automatically increasing your work. Guys, I'm just showing you how to connect your yarn if you run out of yarn and you need to connect it back. I'm just showing you to just basically tie a simple knot and connect your yarn back, and wherever you are crocheting, make sure it's at the back part of it. Okay guys, at this point we're done. If you want it to look this way, you can completely stop here, that's fine, because the ends are smooth enough, but I want it really smooth and perfect, so I am going around the entire border of it, and we're just gonna do single crochet stitches in every space we can find going down the line. Also, the corners, I put 3 single crochets in one stitch. It creates a turn, it creates a corner, so when you're putting your strings in to tie, it looks cute, and it kind of creates a hole for you to put them in, so you won't be squeezing into spaces. Okay, so here we're going to create the strings to tie. There's no perfect length, you can do whatever length you choose. So you chain until you're ready to stop. So yeah, just create a basic slip knot, and you're going to chain until you have it. Here I have completed my chains. I made 2, and I made sure the sizes were the exact same by just measuring them next to each other. And to secure them so they won't come out, I just put it in a slip knot on both sides. So you see, I created the turning point, so it was really easy to put them through, and it looks cute. So there you have it guys, a basic bikini bottom. I would just like to thank everyone who's been tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe with any ideas you want me to do. Bye guys.